Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to recover WhatsApp deleted message, which means if you delete a message on WhatsApp or someone has deleted a message on your chats which you have already done, then how you can recover that message without backup. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to check which of the date that chat has and when it is deleted. And after that, you have to simply go to the main step, which is as that you have to simply go to file manager or of your device, and after that you have to simply open a folder which is named as Android, and here you have to simply go to the media folder and you have to simply search for com.whatsapp folder, which means different devices have different kind of arrangement, but you have to simply at least found that folder com.whatsapp, and here you have to simply go to WhatsApp, and here you have to search for databases. Here you have to simply open that databases. As you can see that the WhatsApp usually recover back, which means creates a local backup on your device and save it in your device. So if you do not back up your device and you do not have internet connection, it automatically converts your chats into a local backup. Now if some message is deleted, then it will be already in that backup. So first of all, you have to do what you have to do, you have to simply select that backup, and after that or you can simply usually go back and simply select that folder and copy it to any other destination. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back and you can simply uninstall your WhatsApp, and after uninstalling, you can simply again install the WhatsApp from the Play Store. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply copy that folder again and you have to paste that in the same folder you have already copied. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply connect your WhatsApp to internet connection, and after refreshing, your chats will be recovered, and you can also see that WhatsApp deleted chats on WhatsApp. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.